We'll guide you through how to link cards in Trello. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Trello on your desktop and navigate to the board where you want to link cards. Once you're on the board, you need to locate the card you want to link from. Click on that card to open it. Inside the card, look for the Attachments section, which is usually on the right-hand side of the card's detailed view. Click on Attach a link in that section. A field will appear where you can paste the URL of the card you want to link to. To get this URL, simply open the card you want to link to in a new tab, copy the URL from the address bar, and paste it back into the field. Once pasted, you can click Attach to establish the link. The link will appear under the Attachments section, and you can click on it anytime to quickly navigate to the linked card. This is particularly useful if you are managing tasks that are interdependent, or if you want to maintain a reference system between different cards. If you need to remove the link later, just hover over the attachment and click the trash icon next to it. Linking cards can streamline your workflow and keep related tasks connected, making it easier to track progress and dependencies. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.